Anybody can be happy if only we realize that happiness is a choice. Resolve from today that you will not try to become happy. Just choose to be happy. Live life